Teaching online courses is your passion, but keeping your students engaged, that's a whole different story. But hey, here are the good news. You don't have to do it all manually. The way that we will do it, with easy email automation in GetResponse. Picture this. Everything that your students do will trigger an action, and that action will be set by you. Enrolled in the course, they automatically get invited to join your community. They finish the lesson, we celebrate their milestones right away. Gone quiet for a few days or bought a course and never started, we will send them a friendly reminder to get started and, not as aggressive as Duolingo, but still effective. And what happens if they complete your entire course? Well, it sounds like your student is ready to level up and you can upsell them your next course. All of that delivered at the perfect moment, depending on their individual journey. And here's why this matters. Students that feel guided, they are more likely to finish your course, to recommend it, and even to come back for more. And the best part? With GetResponse, you can set it up in minutes, all in one place. Want to see exactly how? Well, on our YouTube channel, we have a step-by-step guide that you can see how you can create your first automation workflow, and I'll be there in the video to walk you through. See you there.